Almost everyone watching this will have an operation at some point in their lives. Over 310 million surgeries are performed each year,
and all of them leave a wound that needs closing. This is usually done with sutures or staples, but both have drawbacks. Sutures are slow, increasing the length of anesthesia and cost of procedure. Staples are faster, but have increased infections, worse cosmetic results, and more pain for the patient. This is why a surgeon from London and a rocket scientist from NASA came together to create the Quick Stitch, the perfect wound closure device. The Quick Stitch is a fast and easy to use device that inserts the perfect stitch every time. It achieves superior wound healing by providing the optimum tension and perfect wound eversion in every stitch. The result is a better cosmetic scar, reduced infection rates, and less pain for the patient. When you have your operation, you'll want it closed by the Quick Stitch.